It's got a large step right here, and that's so that I can use a drill collet that I've modified so that it'll stop the needle bar. This is the actual gauge portion. It's 2.3 millimeters thick, and you put the drill collet under there, and that's how you get your gauge. So before you put that stop in, you'd loosen this, and that. Those two set screws make it so you can slide this gear back and forth, and that'll rotate the hook left or right. So you loosen these. Maybe this will work this time. I forgot to put the SD card in last time. So you set this machine to 0 on the stitch length, and then you find bottom dead center, and by doing that you rock the needle back and forth to where so that's bottom dead center. You can also look at the shaft inside the machine. Then you insert this, and the reason it has a step is because my drill collet that I'm using, it can't actually stop the thing here, so it has to be like that. So you insert this, and then you put the drill collet on there, and you tighten it. And I may 3D print some sort of clamp that will replace this, but this works for now. So then you remove that, and that's your needle lift. So you see how it's in the center of the hook now? So